Will you be my boyfriend?
Yeah, he's a...
That's a prank. Today's proposal.
Okay, thank you so much. What's up everybody, welcome back to Monvlogs. So today's prank, awkward vlogging in front of girls. What's up everyone, welcome back to Monvlogs. So basically today's video, I'm gonna ask stranger, does virginity matters in relationships? So, excuse me, can I ask you one question please? Yeah, does virginity matters in relationship?
It doesn't matter. So.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So can you explain like why? You don't know. What's up everyone? Wait, okay. No, it's not like that. Okay bro, just keep rolling, okay? What's up everyone, welcome back to Monvlogs. So today's video I'm gonna teach you one simple step how to get any girl's phone number. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright bro, done. Okay, thank you so much.
Just check if it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's good,
I
bro.
just took till west.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much.
It's okay. No.
Okay bro. Okay guys, before we get started with the video, let me get some advice from these beautiful girls over here. So, excuse me, you know what, I want one advice from you guys. Last night my girlfriend wanted to have sex with me, so what should I do? Can you please give me advice please? At least I should get some advice before I get started with this vlog. What should I do? Can you please tell me? What should I do, please? Please,
Ask
any
your
one of
girlfriend
you.
about it.
Yeah, I already asked, but I don't know, you know. What
It's kind of
else.
awkward for us.
Okay. I mean, do you have experience about?
No, we're not
Okay. So sorry for that, you know, it's my mistake. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, can I have one? Okay, thank you so much. Okay guys, now without further ado, let's get started with the vlog. What's up everybody, welcome back to Monvlogs. Okay guys, a lot of you are asking me, do you have a six-pack or not? So today's I'm gonna show you. Yes, I have. So let me show you. Okay. This is the one. I have been lifting a weight like, you know, every single day, both morning and evening. So okay guys, this is the proof that I have for you. And plus that, you know, the person who's filming the video right now is my girlfriend. So okay guys, that's all. Let me find another place to talk to you guys. So thank you so much. Done. Okay, thank you. What's up everybody, welcome back to Monvlogs. So it's a new day and new vlog. So basically guys, today's video I'm going to a couples and ask them, does virginity matters in relationship? So okay guys, without wasting your time, let's get started. Ah bien. Problema? Are you ready, my man? Oh, two more girls are coming from there. Should I ask them or not? No. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like, just give it a thumbs down. So okay guys, you can follow me on my personal account like Instagram and Facebook, so you can do a personal chat with me, and you know, you can give me an idea what prank should I do next. That's all, my man. See you in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to do a gold digger prank. Hey, I'm just kidding, my man, because alone I cannot do it. If it will be happen only if Eliza Bure collaborate with me, right? So that's all, my man. See you in the next video. Are you guys Kasi or Mizo? Okay, actually, you know, I'm filming videos from the funny prank video. There's a camera.
Oh my god!
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh my god!
You know, basically today's video is awkward vlogging in front of girls. You know what I mean? It's okay, right, if I upload it in YouTube?
No.
Why?
It's embarrassing. Oh my god! Just cut our apart.
Why should I tell you apart? Like, you know, you have a nice reaction, you know. It's just a prank, no, it's just a prank.
I'm looking at the it's visible.
Yeah, you are
You're
not
not
visible.
visible.
That's two of them.
Especially me.
It's okay, right?
Then our voice.
Your voice. This is the one.
Oh my god. Wow. That's why I was so shocked. Like, how come suddenly, you know, it was for the first time.
It's okay, right? If I upload it. Yeah, it was just a prank.
Yeah,
you know.
okay, fine.
Okay, thank you so much.
Your channel name?
Monvlogs, M-O-N space. Actually, I'm not vlogging, I'm not doing video, but you know, it's a prank. There she comes around. And I told her like this, like the person who's filming.
He's laughing,
The person who's filming this video is my.
I thought you were actually a vlogger or something, and
No,
you're
no,
just
no,
posting
no.
about random girls being your girlfriend.
So it's okay if I upload it in video. I mean YouTube. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.